If I can get them coming up here.
If they don't run into the windows. They seem pretty active.
He just really can't capture with the camera.
Yeah, this is gnarly. I've never seen anything like that. It's weird. Look at Jenny. She's out of your car. Let's go downstairs and call the cats out. You can scare them off. I don't want all these birds nesting on our house.
I don't think they're nesting, honey. That's just weird.
Wow.
And the video camera just doesn't do it justice.
No, it's really neat. I want to go outside and experience it firsthand.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.